ISO certification doesn't have to be overwhelming, costly, or confusing. At IntegriSURE, we've built a scalable, transparent, and hands-on approach designed for Australian SMEs who want structure, support, and certainty on their ISO certification journey without the price tag. Let's walk you through how our 4 support plans meet you where you're at, whether you're just getting started or are ready to be certified. Our Essentials package is your ISO-ready foundation. It's not just a folder of generic templates. There are over 40 professionally structured documented policies, procedures, and an additional 20+ forms and templates built for real-world use, all aligned to meet the requirements of ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001, with evidence built in for your auditors to see the alignment. This package is perfect for cost-conscious organizations or teams experienced in ISO certification wanting a head start, as well as for businesses needing to refresh their compliance systems. Start with Essentials and build your compliance with confidence. When you're ready to move beyond documents or keen to understand more about how to implement the documents available from Essentials plans, IntegriSURE Guided gives you implementation power. With over 25 practical videos, as well as a suite of tools and checklists, our guided plan will help you embed compliance into your operations, step by step. Ideal for teams with limited ISO knowledge, or for those preparing for certification and wanting assurance before they go under the microscope. Take the guesswork out of implementation, choose IntegriSURE Guided. ISO isn't just about systems, it's about people. Our professional package brings in structured training modules across ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 that are designed to suit every role in your organization. We go the extra distance to help make ISO standards understandable and practical for you, simplifying the tailoring, implementation, and maintenance of your system with confidence. Embed ISO into your culture. Build internal champions with professional. If your business needs certainty, pace, and partnership, the partnered plan is for you. We work with you through a tailored program, supporting the establishment of your systems, implementing them into your ways of working, and preparing you for ISO certification. Backed by Integris Group Services and our IntegriSURE certified facilitators, it's our most comprehensive package and is ideal for those wanting a smooth first-time ISO certification process with professional support the whole way. It's also a fantastic option for teams looking for extra capacity to tailor and implement their system, as well as complex organizations needing expert support to apply the standards. Achieve ISO certification with expert guidance. Partner with us. No matter where you are in your compliance journey, IntegriSURE has a plan that suits you. From clarity and templates to team training and full service support, we're here to help you get certified on your terms, at your pace, without breaking the bank.